Looking for a feature-packed drone without spending a fortune? These AliExpress drones under $200 will blow your mind. Hey drone lovers! Whether you're a beginner pilot, content creator, or just want to explore the skies, AliExpress has some amazing budget drones with pro-level features like 8K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and even laser sensors. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. V668 GPS Drone. The V668 features a professional 8K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth footage. It also boasts 3 cameras, real-time FPV via 5G Wi-Fi, GPS positioning, and brushless motors for stable flight. Pros: stunning 8K resolution, 3-axis gimbal for cinematic stabilization, tri-camera system with wide-angle views, GPS plus optical flow positioning, obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Why it's a top pick? At this price, the 3-axis gimbal plus 8K camera combo is a game-changer. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 Max Drone. This foldable drone by Xiaomi delivers 8K pro-level video, laser-guided obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. The brushless motors and GPS return to home make it reliable for long-distance flight. Pros: compact and travel-friendly design, 8K ultra-clear video plus 5G live feed, laser obstacle sensors avoid crashes, stable hover with GPS and barometric hold. Why it's impressive? You get top-tier safety and performance without the DJI price tag. Number 3. D25 Pro Max Drone. The D25 Pro Max offers a built-in 4.5-inch HD screen on the controller, eliminating the need for a phone. It supports 8K video capture, 5G image transmission, and comes with a powerful GPS module for intelligent flight modes. Pros: controller has built-in screen, no phone needed. 8K camera with real-time 5G FPV. 1 key return waypoint flight. Follow me. Excellent value for features. Why it's special? No smartphone? No problem. This drone is ready to fly right out of the box. Number 4. SG109 Pro Max. Don't let its size fool you. The SG109 packs a GPS module, 4K per 8K resolution, 5G video feed, and even a 4.5-inch screen controller. This ultra-portable, great for travel and perfect for beginners. Pros: lightweight and foldable, GPS plus altitude hold for stable flying, great image quality for the size, real-time FPV and smart flight modes. Why it's perfect for beginners? Easy to fly, small to pack, but still powerful, a perfect entry-level drone. Number 5. S159 GPS Drone. The S159 is a well-rounded drone featuring 8K video, 5G real-time image transmission, screen controller, obstacle avoidance, and even includes a free memory card. Ideal for outdoor adventures or content capture. Pros: great build for the price. Comes with screen, memory card, and extras. Excellent for aerial photos and videos. Intelligent battery with long flight time. Why it's worth it? It offers a complete package for aerial videography at a budget-friendly price. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Whether you want pro-quality footage, auto-stabilization, or just a fun flying experience, these are the best AliExpress drones for 2025, all offering real value without emptying your wallet. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews and tech gear tips. Fly smart, shoot epic. See you in the next video.